thumbs up and choose the very best channel, Benny Mock's channel. Learn English from mistakes with Benny Mock. 睇呢本書 ，read your book。明天帶呢個生活證 ，bring with your ID card tomorrow。打爛呢個訓練課程俾見習生。A Chainlink course for a Chainee。Big gas for fire alarm， 打破玻璃響警鐘，同埋響警鐘 ring the bell。What are you talking about? They don't make sense to me. Okay, let me fix them for you. Okay, read your book. Read your book. Bring with your ID card tomorrow a training course for a trainee, and break glass for fire alarm and ring the bell. Correcting embarrassing pronunciation errors, part 12. Let's make the correct R sound. Okay, so we have to make dogs growling sounds with the rolling. You have to roll your tongue. 狗吠聲，捲嚟要。休息下 ，take a break. Okay, it should be take a break. Put me through 接通電話 ，put me through. You are in this group. 你係呢本組別。You are in this group. Peter Dawson is my best friend. He's my best friend. My cell phone number is 0398. My number is 0398. I'm drinking water. 飲緊水。I'm drinking water. That's true. 真㗎。That's true. Sun run. 陽光下跑步。Sun run. Run. Grow a tree. 種棵樹。Grow a tree. Let's play, and pray. But don't say pay to God. Okay. Pray to God. Okay. You are right. 你講得啱，做得啱。You're right. You're right. And draw a gift 抽獎。Draw a gift. 星期五 Friday. Okay. Friday. And pronounce 發音。Pronounce. Okay. Mirror 鏡。Price. Wet river 紅河。Red river. She's rude. Okay. Press the brake. And that's not correct. That's correct. End of chapter 59.